Welcome to the global viewers of my fairness channel. This is Mr. Ruhul Amin Akanda, journalist, and I have arrived at Al Amin Islamic Model School. As you know, the recently declared 2025 SSLC result has been declared, and I have come to the Al Amin Islamic Model School, which has a good name and fame, and along with me I am going to take a short interview. Your name, your good name, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Wasbir Jahan. I am from Al Amin Islamic Model School, and recently SSLC 2025 result also has been declared, and I have got 97.83 percentage in this SSLC 2025 with 587 marks, and I have secured highest marks in the SSLC examination in Mazortub Center, Koraimani.
Uh, uh, what to say? That means, um, are you satisfied with your result?
Actually, when we talk about satisfaction, it depends on person to person, and actually no one is satisfied with its result. Actually, I expected little more marks in English, and I have got 95 marks in English, but I didn't expect that being an English medium student I will get less marks in English. But also I have secured 99 marks in Assamese being an English medium student, and I have secured 97 marks in SSLC 2025 social science. And I think most of you know that how was the social science paper. It was extreme hard, and then I have secured 96 marks in science, general science, and I have secured 100 marks in general mathematics, and also I have secured 100 marks in advanced mathematics.
From whom do you get inspiration?
Actually, inspiration, I got the first inspiration from my cousin, name is Tabibul Haq, from Al Amin Islamic Model School. He secured 9th rank, and after that Nasiruzzaman Faruqi Dada secured 7th rank from Al Amin Islamic Model School, and this time if you count my marks 587, it will be 5th rank in Assam. So this is actually inspiration. When I suppose when I got pre-board examination, when I give pre-board examination, or when I gave other examinations, when my result was good, then that was my main inspiration, that if I have got this much marks in this examination, definitely I can do better. Definitely there are scopes for me to do better. That's why actually this was my inspiration mainly.
What is the role of your parents in doing your result?
Yeah, parents played a major role in my whole study life, and what they always motivated me, they always give motivation, they always gave guidance, they always supported me in every field. Actually, they were not like that, why you got so less mark in here, why you got so less mark in here. Actually, they didn't do like this. Suppose whenever I got little bit less mark in any subject, then they used to give more motivation that you have got this mark in this subject, so you should try little bit more so that you will get little bit more in upcoming exam. Like this, they encouraged me. They didn't never demotivated me. So actually this is the main role of my parents. That means never demotivated me.
Now, what is your expectation? What you will become in your life?
In my life, after cracking this SSLC examination, already I have cracked, and I will read in science stream in SS first year, and in future I want to crack this NEET examination, and my aim is to become a good doctor. And after that I will think about civil service examination later on, after doing graduation.
Um, you see, what message you want to give to the students of this very school or the entire students of this locality?
Yeah, okay. Message means actually there is only one message that is I want to give, that is mainly consistency. There are many students who say that I have read 13, 14, 15 hours. But actually reading 13, 14, 15 hours only once a year, twice a year, actually this is not sufficient. This is, I think, not so valuable. Or in my opinion, if you read 6-7 hours daily and you maintain this consistency, then you will definitely will succeed. And actually there should be definitely hard work is mandatory, but with hard work there should be smart work also. Like how can I complete this much portion in these hours? Or regarding distractions in student life, distractions will also come. Every student will face distraction. It is fact that good students do not get distractions. Actually, each and every student have to face distraction, which is we should avoid this distraction. We should get rid of these distractions, and after that we can definitely will succeed.
Yeah, thanks for your nice interview, and hope you should not
Welcome.
become complacent. You should try hard, and you should multiply your labor now, as you want to become a doctor, and after that ACS or IAS officer. Thanks.
Like, subscribe, Fair News channel.